So getting ready for the US Open. This is RTY on the automated roller coaster. So it is live now if I was to click the real time enabled and disabled. Well, what I want to do is I've actually put some zones on there that I'm interested in where the roller coaster has been respecting quite well during the morning. See, I've taken in quite a lot of pivots here on this Uni Renko 135. It's a time frame you can't really trade manually, but you can automatically. So I've got some really strong zones here. When we look further left, very, very strong support and resistance zones. So they're just going to guide me a little bit. And what I want to do is look for trades. Now this is going to move really fast during that first 15 minutes. We have approximately 4 minutes left, so we are sort of getting ready. So this actually is live now within the parameters for optimization, but because it's such a fast time frame, we're going to just switch it on and off for automated trading. So if I just go into the strategies itself, I'm on sim because it's still a trial. I've got some basic sort of filters, if you like. So we've got maximum risk 15 ticks per trade. That's between the stop and the entry for the roller coaster. Short entry offset 2 ticks and long entry offset 2 ticks. Entry quantity just 1. My trailing stop is a 21 EMA. I've got max profit, max loss, and these are the all days between these times, and we're in that 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. sort of time slot right now. So we've got some basics on there that will either take us in or get us out of a trade. But what I want to do is part of these trials is I know to set this automatically. You know, we're talking 9 a.m. So if this was just running on its own now, we would have had a small winner, reasonably large winner, reasonably large winner. So, you know, we're in the right sort of time slot, but I just wanted to do a semi-automatic trial, if you like. So, for example, this short trade now is just taken out the trailing stop, and in theory, we could get a return leg. There's the arrow signal there to go long, but we don't want to go long in this into this resistance. I mean, this long, it was, you know, it did try and get through there, but I can learn from this very recent activity for when it comes to the open to actually enable and disable. So right now this would be risk-free anyway, so you know it seems to be in the groove, but you can see how it hit this resistance and now coming back down again. So we've got less than 2 minutes for the open. I want to get that initial push, look at the direction, see where we are, and then look to enable this. So again, we're on the NinjaTrader platform. This is the roller coaster auto trader, Uni Renko. So 135, very fast Uni Renko. The auto trader can cope with this, and right now, if I'd have left the 9 a.m. time frame, it would be in a decent amount of profit right now anyway. But I just want to just go through this opening, if you like, just to see if we can get a better handle on being able to enable and disable it to, you know, maximize those wins. So I'm going to get the open anytime now. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to enable it just before the open. You see it's gone active green at the top there. So we're less than a minute. There's the opening bell, and we got a short straight away. Okay, there's the short, there's the trailing stop taken out. That other one was cancelled too fast. See these pre-market levels. So we got an order, but it cancelled there. It was too fast. It was above the price was above when the order went through. And we're talking milliseconds here, and it was still too fast. So basically, I want to see now. We've just got this initial pivot after the open. Is that going to be tested again? We're hanging around this zone here. Okay, we're in the long now, so that did go in. We're risk free. Does it push? Okay, we're locking in a bit of profit here. How are we going to go through this pivot? Does it turn back down again, or does it continue to go higher? Okay, it's pushing through. Trailing stop is actually moving well. Gone off the top of the screen. I'm on a VPS and recording at the same time, so I think it's as working. I can't actually get onto the chart to adjust it, so let's just let it do its thing. It's still in. Okay, we made 275 bucks on that trade. I can now get back on the chart. So we're in uncharted territory right now. So we've made, and you see down on the profit P&L chart here, we've made $275. So if we were happy with that initial trade for the opening, we can click that real-time disabled here, and we can walk away. That's the trade we wanted. To be honest, we got the open. We had a little short there, didn't really work out, and then we hit the previous support zone that I put on. And we had a great long trade. We made $275 with one contract. So right now, you know, we had a short order here. That would have taken us. That would have taken the. It didn't take. It wouldn't have taken us in the trade. This one would have done, but we are in a point now where that would have been a loss, purely because the momentum is very, very bullish. So what I'm really after is this short is working very well right now. Where does it come for support? Right there. So do we return back to the longs right now? So I've enabled it again now, or do we go short again? Doesn't really go. So this was that initial pivot after the open here. Okay, we're long again now. We're risk free. Trailing stop moving. Real time is still engaged. We've made $380 now. I can disable that again. So quick video, 10 minutes. We're only 4 minutes into the open. As you can see, very, very strong strategy here. You just need to understand, you know, I took it off after this big trade. I wanted to let it settle down. Yes, I missed a short, but I wanted to get back in on the long, re-enabled. And, you know, I'm happy to walk away with $380 for 4 minutes work. Yes, there was a few minutes work for those support and resistance zones, but this is how to use that roller coaster auto trader. Check the links out below for sophisticated traders to get hold of this roller coaster auto trader.